Hello lovely viewers, welcome to yet another exciting tutorial from Ayaaba Creations. I'm super excited to share this pattern with you.
I've got the steez in you.
Ayaaba Creations teaches you how to make simple beaded crafts, so don't forget to support our channel by subscribing, like and share our videos as well. It means a lot to us. Let's begin. The pattern of this bag looks complicated, but trust me, it is very easy to make. All you have to do is to watch the video carefully and follow each step, and we are good to go. In the initial stage, we made a ring of 8 beads and we crossed with the 8th bead, as you can see. We are now going to pass the beading thread through one bead, and this bead is going to be in the middle. Count 4 beads from the initial cross and pass the beading thread through that 4th bead in order to close the hole, as you can see. In the next stage, we are going to add 3 long beads and cross with a 3rd bead. Then we go through the next bead, add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. You can support our channel by subscribing, sharing and liking our videos. Also, you can also make a purchase from us. Do contact the number on your screen if you want to buy any of our crafts. To end this stage, go through the last 2 beads, that is the small one and the long bead, and cross with 1 long bead. To complete the base, add small beads to fill each space, as you can see. To begin the next stage, add 2 long beads and cross with the 2nd bead. Then add extra 2 long beads and cross with the 2nd bead. After that, go through the next long bead. Do not go through the small beads and cross with 1 bead. Next, add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. go through the next long bead and cross with one bead. You continue this process, you keep repeating it till you get to the last bead. This is the last long bead for the base. We are going to go through that long bead and cross with one long bead. Then we go through the first long bead of the side, and then we also cross with another one long bead. To make the back firm, we are going to pass small beads through each space in the long bead. As you can see, let's move to the next stage of the tutorial. Here we're going to add 2 beads and cross with a second bead. Then we add 2 beads again and cross with a second bead. Go through the next long bead and cross with one long bead. We continue to repeat this process till we get to the last long bead. Please do not pass the beading thread through the small beads. Always use the long beads.
I've got the steez in you now.
at this point my beading line got finished, so I decided to show you how I was going to cut off the old one and add a new line. So if you're also working and yours also gets finished, you can actually watch this part carefully so that you know how to add a new line.